the relaxing wave sound. Today is Christmas time, December 25, guys, and this is the color of our sky and in the city of Hammerfest. It is -4 degrees outside, but a little bit windy, and the nature, the beauty of the city and the nature and the relaxing waves from the ocean. It is lovely. If you notice, guys, a little bit